My house is a mess. Today, we need to get organized, we need to clean, we need it to shine, because tomorrow I'm finally doing the home tour that I've been promising you guys for like 5 videos now. Last night I had a game night and I have stuff everywhere. You and I are gonna be cleaning through the night, so let's not waste any more time. So the videographer just left and I'm about to, it actually went really well. It went really well. So I think I'm done cleaning for today, but tomorrow we will commit. This is turning into like a vlog instead of a clean with me. But yeah, that's all.
Which exposed the exploitation of...
I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a few days since I saw you last. Today we are going to finish cleaning. It's been a really productive morning. I went to hot yoga, I got some groceries, I did a little bit of video editing, and I'm also binging Married at First Sight, the 14th season. So right now we're just gonna have a quick little snack. I have my green smoothie. We also need to clean out the fridge. I feel like adulthood is just never ending cleaning. Like, it's like as soon as you get something clean, you gotta clean again. It's like cooking and cleaning and working. It's your whole life.
I'm trying to use that as something to like go off of like
You were burning like a summer in my heart till you found another northern star, following a lover right out of my ocean. And I was broken, but you know what they say.
Alright, so this is what the fridge is looking like afterwards. Not too shabby.
Time's got a good way of healing. I'm back on my feet and I'm happier than ever, like I never thought forever was you. My skies are blue, dancing kind of weather, back together like I wasn't into. Thought I was doomed.
I finally finished the kitchen and the living room, so that is it for today. I'm about to go ahead and make myself some soup. I cleaned out the fridge, as you saw, and I looked to see what I had left, and I have all the right ingredients for some soup, which is great because I've been craving soup for like 2 months now. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that. That's it for the cleaning, so if you guys want to stick around and check out how I make the soup, go on ahead.
But I move through the heartache mood. I don't care what you do. I'm happier than ever, so much better without you. Without you, without you. Happier without you. Picking up the pieces of a dream. Every little thing I thought we'd be.
So I don't have any bread to go with the soup, so I'm gonna make some. I'm gonna make some naan.
Learning how to let go of all the ways you burned me. And I was hurting, but you know what they say.